Clément CC Fragrance is talking about dupes? What? What? No. 2021 is going so wrong. Bonjour fragrance lovers, this is Clémence, I talk about fragrance, hey, welcome back! Today's video, oh my god, she's talking about dupe! No. You know me, I don't talk about dupe at all. The only dupes that I probably talk about is Zara, and for one reason is because they don't advertise themselves as dupe, so for me it's okay. Let me explain to you what I don't like about dupe is when the brand one is claiming that it's the same scent, that is a no-no. The brand is claiming that the ingredients are super luxurious and usually it's not, so no. The brand is claiming that they do the same scent without the packaging, no. The brand is claiming that the formula was created in the same lab, no. And that's a lie. But when it's like a super cheap scent and they don't really advertise, they wanted to do it, okay, but they didn't advertise themselves as, you know, doing the same fragrance as a designer, I'm okay with it. And the bottle is really different, I'm okay with it. That's why I'm talking to you about this TikTok viral trend that there's a new brand in Superdrug and it's called Artis Scent. Little box like this for ladies, little box like this for men. So how much did I pay that? Like, I don't have the full price there, I will put the price for you. Around, I would say £4.90 or something, or 99, like something like that, like £5 something. I know that there was a discount at the moment, so probably now it should be £9 something, but at the moment it's £4 something, so I would say jump on it. Fragrance are saying to be smelling exactly like designers, so of course I was like, for this price, definitely to try. Some that I didn't try, but let me show you the one that I've tried. It's called Spring Fleur. So first of all, let's talk about that bottle. When I opened it in that box, I was waiting for like a stupid little like bottle that doesn't look nice, but this looks just super cute. Like, I really want to put them on display. I want to put them, you know, like online on display, like very chic, elegant bottle. It's nice. It even give me a little feeling of a Guerlain bottle, you know, like I'm just like, wow, that's cute. Of course the label is a bit crap, but you know, it's a sticker, but I think the bottle is really cute. This is to be exactly like Chloe Eau de Parfum. I've tried it, I love it, and I would say it's quite different to me. So you can smell that light floral tone, but it's quite different to me. Come on, like, I don't really smell Chloe when I smell that at all. I think there's a special DNA with Chloe. If you're looking for light floral, it's quite nice. I mean, I like it. Springy, light floral, a bit fresh. It does stay on the skin a bit, you know, 2-3 hours. So interesting, and I think I'm going to use it a lot for layering or to go to bed, you know. I quite like it. It smells clean and nice, and it doesn't smell that much synthetic, plasticky. So I'm actually nicely surprised by this one. Number 2 is the best thing ever. So you know how much I've got a passion for Santal Blush. It's a fragrance I own from Tom Ford and I absolutely love it. Why? It's because it's woody, it smells powdery, there's a little bit of like sensuality to it. Like, I think for me is one of the best fragrance of Tom Ford and I'm absolutely addicted. And I'm always looking for something that quite similar. So there's the Adam Levine, a bit more oriental, sweeter. You've got also Stash from SDP, but this is for me quite different. It's more powerful in fruit at the beginning and woody. So there's another one that is called Exotic Musk. This is the one you need to buy, guys. Like, if you want to buy one of these fragrance, ladies, you need to buy this one. It's amazing. So it does smell quite similar, however it's much more flowery. So flowery, and I feel a bit more vanilla-like. I've tried it yesterday. I was really surprised how the fragrance was super long lasting on me. I was like, what? Like, you know, and I even said to my friend, it's gonna last 2 or 3 hours and bye-bye. well, at the end of the day, I still had it. And I was like, oh, it's amazing. I'm actually gonna spray again. Really enjoy it. It's sensual, oriental, slightly sexy. It's got like a milky tone as well, and you know how much I like my milky tone. I'm super excited about this one. I think it's the best one. Dupe of Tom Ford, don't exaggerate. Like, I will still pick a Tom Ford. But nice though, really, really nice. I really love it. Then there's another one that is called Paradis Gourmand, and if I'm correct, this one is a dupe of YSL Mon Paris. Not really a fragrance that I really enjoy particularly because I think it's too fruity for me, but really interesting though. It really smells similar, and actually that's the one I would say smell the most similar. Yeah, there's really this tone that is very fruity, florally, really smells similar. You smell a bit of synthetic more about this one, I think, but every time you get something more sugary, this is what you get, more synthetic. But really interesting, and I was really surprised. It does seem to stay long. This is not something I would wear because it's too sweet for me. Gourmand Paradise, and I think it's a perfect name for it. And I will definitely buy that, like, for someone that looking for like a sweet scent for every day. I bought 2 male fragrance. The first one was Marine Riche, and it's Only the Brave, dupe of Only the Brave by Dieso. So the bottle looks like that for men, a little bit less classy, I would say. Yeah, it's quite similar. It's really this kind of like, you know, shower gel, fresh fragrance, very clean, a bit powerful. It's really like the classic men scent to me, like in a modern way, you know, like the one you apply after the shower. It smells after the shower to me, so it's quite nice, and it smells marine, definitely marine, like fresh vibe. It's interesting, to be fair, like for every day, why not? For the price, I'm like 100% yes. For if I had to pay like 40 quid for that, I'd be like, no. It's slightly more minty as well, this one, but Only the Brave Diesel is not really my favorite, but I appreciate the scent. So, you know, if you like that kind of scent, you're gonna like that. Boisé Profond, and Boisé Profond is supposed to be a dupe of Armani Code Absolu, and for me, if you're a man, this is the one you need to get. £4.99. Oh yeah, it's amazing. The scent is peppery, is very oriental, very warm. It's profound, sensuality, a bit sexy, a bit woody as well. You can smell a bit that pine vibe. It's quite similar to Armani Code Absolu, however, you know, it's not as creamy, intense as the Armani, okay, but I definitely can see the vibe, and that's definitely my favorite of the range. Quite nice, long wearing, like, I mean, okay, I would say 4 hours, something like that. But for the price, again, I'm like, what? Yes! Like something like for every day, you want to chill. Yeah, I'm saying yes. For the exotic musk, even for a date, I would wear it. To tell you how much I like it. It's the one you need to get. Bargain of the year. Girls or men, you're gonna love it. The collection, so let me guide you. You've got other one, which I'm really happy I didn't pick. You've got Patchouli Passion, which is a dupe of La Vie est Belle. So I guess I smelled it. It's very, very sugary, and it's actually really similar smell. Don't like it at all. It's too sweet, but anyway. Lily Amour is a dupe of Chance Autant. Didn't smell this one. Chance Autant, Chance Classics, but it must be a bit more peppery with flowers, so quite interesting to try. Vanille Blush is Forever and Ever from Dior, so quite nice floral, I would say, so you can have a try. Doré, and this is a dupe for 1 million. But, you know, like, interesting to try. I didn't try. Cedar Blanc, there was no tester, come on. Cedar Blanc is a dupe of Invictus Paco Rabanne. Vetiver Arôme is a dupe of Bleu de Chanel. And I think I've seen other one as well, but I would say have a try because you might be surprised. I think for the price, it's really, really good value. Bottles are cute. I definitely want to have that on display in my bathroom. I think that will look so cute and pretty. I'm gonna buy shelf to put them on display actually. Yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you've tried it in the store, but honestly, like, for that price, you won't regret it. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe before, leave me a little like, and I will see you all very soon. Bye now!